So thank you very much. And I think now would be an opportune time also to hear perhaps a short message, if we can request our dear Mayor to give a short response. And actually, wala ko sa plano to. Hindi namin inimitahan si Mayor and nalaman niya na dito tayo. I think maswerte tayo na member ng Rotary Club of Pasay Villa, si Pipi Ed Robiano, ang asawa ni Mayor. Kung kayo, siyempre, dahil kung si Mayor mahal ng Pasay, mas mahal niya ang asawa niya. So mula sa puso, may I call on Mayor Amy Calisto Robiano.
Thank you, President Attorney Henry. Hello! Hi! Magandang gabi. Una siyempre sa ating pong FG. Walang iba kundi si FG Alex Pedrico. And then sa ating Jack Rocks, joint effort of Pasay Rotary Club na pinagulungan ni Attorney Eric Pasion. At gusto ko na rin batiin ang lahat ng presidente from Rotary Club Pasay, Marina, Sally, Galago, Rotary Club Pasay Villa, Gerald Pisada, Rotary Club Manila Metro, past President, MC Casio, ang ating pong chairperson ng Service Project Rotary Club, Miss Karen Rose Magdal. Siyempre, ang ating past District Governor, Rotary Club Pasay Villa, Paco Atayde. Andito ba, former J-Rocks Chairman and past President, June Ibay. Ako din mo, ito nakalagay.
Ano namin, kabatchmate.
Rotary Club Pasay Silangan, Dr. Tanya Baliao Dimas. Rotary Club Pasay Metro Sunrise, Alan, CFG naman yan, Alan Silvio. RC Pasay West, Maria Ninfa Diaz, RC Pasay Libertad, Jorlisa Asis, RC Pasay Southwest, and Southeast, Rina Ventura. Manila and Cavite, UCPs, kasama natin yung Tagaytay. Tungkol ko that, ang mga president, pinakulakan.
Siguro mo, Mayor, para tulungan po kayo, i-recognize po natin. Ito po kasi yung fellowship natin. Hindi natin plinano. So, nag-invite lang talaga tayo. So, we'd like to recognize the other presidents that are also here. Isa-isa. From the Rotary Club of Manila Villamor, Cristina Aliada. From the Rotary Club of Manila Bay, Lani Sison. From the Rotary Club of, excuse me po. From the Rotary Club of Manila Binondo Prime, Miss Joy Francisco. From the Rotary Club of Malate Prime, Catherine Catherine Rojas. And then from the Rotary Club of Cavite Export Processing Zone, Dr. Mark Baido. From the Rotary Club of Tagaytay City, Mildred Bernardo. From the Rotary Club of Amazing Manila, Miss Merlin Amador. Of course, from the Rotary Club of Manila Metro, Tim Esquivel.
Mindoro.
Of course, napakalayo nito, Mayor. Galing pa sa Mindoro. From the Rotary Club of Lubang Island, Miss Julie Buenavera. At ang kakadating lang, ang pinakamalaking dinonate sa atin, ang representatives po natin from Libralo. Mayor, thank you.
Meron pa yan.
Si Tere! Si Jote! Si Tere!
Minamahal ang Pasay ng mga Rotary Club mula sa Manila, mula sa Cavite, mula sa Mindoro, kasi pati tayo dinadayo. Ang chairman ng Solid Cavite and president of the Rotary Club of Cavite Uptown, Mr. Ray Antonio.
At sa inyo po lahat, na dapat po pinaglihan ko lang. Kasama dito, siyempre, ang aking team. Sa inyo po, huwag na narinig nyo lang po sila. Alam na nila po yan. Maganda dito. It's really always nice to be among the esteemed members of the Rotary clubs, not just from Pasay, but from the other parts of the country. At masasabi ko talaga na you have really made a mark, not only in Pasay, but to the whole country as well. Kaya naman po, to say that you have been of great help would be an understatement. As you have proven time and again that you don't just help, but you really care, you really love, and you really serve. Kaya palakpakan niyo naman yung mga dito po sa aming nabuong Pasay City, i-welcome ko muna kayong lahat. At ang experience ko with the Rotary clubs, especially sa Jetro, lalo na ngayon, hindi na kailangan tawagan. Kayo pa, talagang nagpipresentang tumulong. Kaya maraming salamat. From providing medical care through machines and other medical needs to providing assistance in times of typhoons and other calamities. You have reminded us all that Rotary is an elite of its own and for good reason. In behalf of the countless lives that you have served and positively changed, we extend our profound gratitude to your esteemed institution and all your districts therein. Kaya kanina, sabi ni Attorney Eric, hindi talaga ako in-inspire. Pero nalaman ko kay Evelyn, at saka merong parang invite siyang pinakita letter. Kaya, siyempre, sabi ni Egay, dapat nandito ako. Kaya, kahit from morning to morning talaga ako, di pa kami tapos after this, meron pa kami magpupuntahan. Siyempre, nandito ako dahil talagang kailangan ko magpasalamat. Ito yung nabati yung boyfriend eh. Pero ngayon, asawa ko na. Eh, gano'n rupiyan. Trust that in the countless years to come, Pasay City will always be here and you're welcoming home. At tayo po ay talagang magtulong-tulong para maiangat natin ang mabuhay nila dito sa Pasay Community, sa buong bansang Pilipinas. At siyempre, pinasasalamat ako din si Winmar. Parang ang puno namin to sa Pasay Belgium, sa kanyang mga support at mga concerns din sa ating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat. Hindi namin makakaya kaya ko pag wala kayo. Kasi kailangan talaga ng push. At sa ating team, maraming salamat dahil kahit ito ang nagustuhan ko, kahit ako'y nasa bakasyon, talagang isang tao ko lang naintindihan na nila kung ano ang dapat gawin. Kaya maraming salamat. Together, let us pray for brightest futures through your elevated philanthropy and our honest to goodness tapat at higit pa sa sapat na pagpili. Once again, thank you and congratulations.